Hey guys, what's up? I am Preeti and welcome back to my channel. I really hope that you guys are doing very well. So today's video is a tutorial of this look. This is a really luminous and glossy look. So without wasting time, let's begin the video now. First, I'm going to start off with my moisturizer. As a moisturizer today, I'll use my Lotus Herbal Gel Cream. It's a lightweight and non-sticky cream and it gives me a deep hydration. It also has SPF 20 that protects my skin from sun damages. I'll wait for 5 minutes, let the cream completely go into my skin. Moving on the next step. Here I will use Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Illuminating Primer. This primer gives me a brightened skin and it also gives me a natural shine. Here I will use it all over the face and I will blend it with my finger. In the next step, for concealer, I will use L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. I will apply it on my lid with the wand and then I will blend it with my beauty sponge. And then I will set it with my loose powder. Then I will take this shade from the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. So I will apply it with the fluffy brush on my lid and I will apply it from the outer corner to the inner corner side. Then I will apply this pinky shade and I will blend it both the colors very nicely. Then I will take the darker shade again and I will apply it on the outer corner on the crease line and I will blend it very nicely. Then I will apply this shimmery shade, any light shimmery shade on my lid. And then I will take this dark shade from the palette and again I will apply it on the outer corner of my eyes and on the crease line. And I have to blend it very nicely. Then I will apply my eyeliner with my brush. Moving on the next step. For foundation, I will use Forever 52 foundation in the shade 007. I really like this foundation because it gives me a full coverage and it's a budget friendly foundation. So I will blend it with my beauty sponge all over the face. You can see the difference between the both sides of my face. So in the next step, I will conceal my face with Maybelline concealer in shade 15 to brighten my under eye area and other high points on my face like my nose, my forehead and chin area. And then I will blend it with my beauty sponge. Now it's time for contouring. For contouring, I will use a darker shade concealer. So I will apply it on my jawline and nose and forehead area. And I will blend it with my beauty sponge very nicely. In the next step, I'll use this shade from the Nykaa blush palette. So this is plum like color and it's very pretty shade. So I will apply it both the sides of my cheeks. Now I'm taking this Forever 52 compact powder. It's really a very good compact powder. So it gives me a light coverage and I can fix all the makeup on my face with this powder. So for this I will use this puff for applying. Now I will take this glow gel highlighter. It has glittery particles as you can see. So I will apply with my brush in very little amount. And it's very good for the nighttime party or wedding parties. Now I'm taking this highlighter from the Revolution Duo palette. So I will apply on my cheekbones, my cupid bow and nose and chin area. Then I will fill my eyebrows with my eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. And then I will comb it very nicely. Then I will fill my under eye area with the same shade. I will blend it very nicely and then I will apply the kajal from Maybelline. Then I am taking this lip shade. The shade is 335 from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. Once all this is done, I am fixing my makeup with the setting spray from NYX's Dewy setting spray. As you can see, it gives me a luminous and shiny look. And then finally I am applying my mascara from Maybelline's Fall Lashes, and I will apply it on my upper lashes and lower lashes as well. So this is my final look, guys. I hope that you will be able to create this look very easily for parties. So I really hope that you like this video. If you like this, so give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, tata.